curtains dancing in the light, golden hours shining bright, dust like diamonds in the air, lazy moments that we share, coffee cooling by your side. Nothing here we need to hide, no rush pulling at the day. We just let the silence stay. Velvet afternoon silence, wrapped in quiet compliance. Hearts are beating slow and true, every second feels brand new. Velvet afternoon silence, no resistance, no defiance, just your shadow next to mine, floating gently out of time. Sunlight resting on your face, softest smile, unspoken grace. Outside the world keeps moving fast, but in this room we let it pass. Every breath a peaceful wave. Nothing here we need to save. Time dissolves in shades of gold. In this calm our hands unfold. Velvet afternoon silence, like a tender science. Every look a quiet clue, all I see is you. Velvet afternoon silence, safe in soft reliance. Stay, stay, don't let the daylight fade too soon. Here, in this gentle afternoon. Velvet afternoon silence, all the noise turns into guidance. In your warmth I feel aligned, body, heart and mind. Velvet afternoon silence, love without the violence, just a calm we both can find. In the slow unwind. Quiet room and gentle light, hands begin their silent flight. Paper petals softly start, shaping calm through handmade art. Every emotion slow and clear, peaceful moments drawing near. Stillness in handmade art, where the quiet hours start. Every fold and every line turns the calm to something kind. Stillness in handmade art, peaceful hands and patient heart. Little blossoms slowly grow in the calm we come to know. colors resting soft and bright, floating in the tender light. Nothing rushed and nothing loud, only calm without a cloud. Stillness in handmade art, tiny dreams begin to start. Every ribbon soft and free, building quiet harmony. Breathing slow, the moments stay, crafting peace throughout the day. In the silence, hands create, turning small to something great. Stillness in handmade art. Calm and slow. Slow afternoon, curtains dancing in the light, golden hours shining bright. Dust like diamonds in the air, lazy moments that we share. Coffee cooling by your side, nothing here we need to hide. No rush pulling at the day, we just let the silence stay. Velvet afternoon silence, wrapped in quiet compliance. Hearts are beating slow and true, every second feels brand new. Velvet afternoon silence, no resistance, no defiance, just your shadow next to mine, floating gently out of time. Sunlight resting on your face, softest smile, unspoken grace. Outside the world keeps moving fast, but in this room we let it pass. Every breath a peaceful wave, nothing here we need to save. Time dissolves in shades of gold. In this calm our hands unfold. Velvet afternoon silence, like a tender science. Every look a quiet clue, all I see is you. Velvet afternoon silence, safe in soft reliance. Stay, stay, don't let the daylight fade too soon. Here, in this gentle afternoon. Velvet afternoon silence, all the noise turns into guidance. In your warmth I feel aligned, body, heart and mind. Velvet afternoon silence, love without the violence, just a calm we both can find. In the slow unwind.